Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And do you recall in my last video, I said I recently bought a PSP. So yeah, here's the unbox video for it. This beautiful console. I've wanted it for a long time. My first console I ever got is a Nintendo Switch, but it's too big for me. Let me get this real quick. Yeah, it's too. Oh my legs, bro. Okay, so I'm back. I should have got a new light. So yeah, this a Nintendo Switch. So this is my Nintendo Switch and this a PSP. See the difference? It's so big for me. I can't put it into my pocket and bring it everywhere, but I can do it with this. So yeah, that's why I really want it. Handheld console for a long time. This small, and yeah, I don't really like the Switch because it there's not much like triple A titles on it. So yeah, I got this PSP for GTA stories, Liberty City stories, and the Vice City stories. And yeah, let's boot her up. Wait, before boot her up, let's take a look at this. I almost forgot this part. So yeah, got this, buttons, this PlayStation buttons, the PSP logo right here, and the volume buttons right here. I don't know what these two buttons do, but yeah, there's a start and select button, power and hold, and here's the joystick, and I don't know what these means. And here's where your keychains go, I guess. And here's the L and R button. Yeah, I think it's better than the NDS ones. NDS ones are on here, so it just go down a little bit like this, but the PSP ones can go down like this. I really like the oh epic fail. Epic fail, but okay. So yeah, let's take a look at here. So here's, oh come on, focus. So here's the on and off button, power button. Here's the charging port. Here's the headphone jack, which is better than the iPhone 14. They don't come with a headphone jack, so yeah, let's take a look at it here. This is the mini USB port for, I don't know, maybe you can add some music on it. Yeah, I think you can add music on it. And there's the double N button, it's like some kind of Wi-Fi. And let's take a look at here. So oh wait, here there's the where the memory stick goes. Yeah, it says memory stick on here. Come on, focus, come on. Ah yes, memory stick duo. So it's where a memory stick goes. And yeah, let's take a look at here. So here's the battery. I think, yeah, let's get this. Okay, here's the battery. It's a Sony PSP battery pack. Yeah, and let's take a look here. It's a PSP-3006 model. Yeah, PSP serial number, made in China. And yeah, let's boot her up. Let me put it. How do I put this? Oh. Okay, let's put this back and boot her up. God damn it. Okay, boot her up. I really like this, red color. Oh, it's booting up. Okay, let's set time and date. It's 2022. It's the October. What's the day today? Come on, 23rd of October. So 23rd of October, 9 p.m. right now. 9:56 p.m. So yeah, I'll enter. And yeah, here's the menu. So system update, USB connection, video settings. It's just say settings right here. And here's a camera. Let's take a look at camera. I don't think it comes with a camera. Yeah. Yeah, it's a connect one that is compatible with the PSP T-Mark system. Okay. So maybe there's a camera accessory. You can put it right here if I'm not wrong. And yeah, here's the music with sends me channels. Sends me T-Mark channels. Okay, what's this? There's no software available for this application. I've downloaded an app. Okay, so videos. Is there any videos on it? There's no videos on it. Game sharing and save data utility. I think the memory stick for this, but I forgot to buy a memory stick, so I don't think we can check that out. So online, it's about network, online instruction manuals, location-free player, location-free T-Mark player. So let's take a look at this. Just read yourself. Yeah. Just pause it if you want to read it. Okay, let's start. Press and hold this. What? Oh, I don't want to connect it to my Wi-Fi first. Later, I'm gonna do it later. So Skype, you have Skype on this thing. That's very cool. Oh, there's no memory stick, so I really need a memory stick to do most of features on this thing. Okay, so remote play. Can this connect to my PS5? Oh, PS3. Okay. Internet radio. There's no memory stick, bruh. RSS channel. What's RSS? There's no memory stick, bruh. Internet browser. Come on. Nah. Okay. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Internet search. Okay, PlayStation Network. Sign up for PlayStation Network. I don't think they call PSN right now. I think they have another name for this right now. I think it's PS Plus. I'm not really sure, but yeah, let's take a look. PlayStation Store and information board. So yeah, that's much it for the menu. So let's put a game in it. And this also the only game I've got. It's GTA Liberty City Stories. And the PSP used this kind of disc. This called UMD, Universal Media Disc, which is not really universal because at the time, like, NDS are still using those kind of cartridges like this. And yes, it's a Alpha card, so I better not say anything. Nintendo, don't sue me, Nintendo. So yeah, let's put this thing in. So I think it's like this. So yeah, let's put this in and boot her up. So I believe it's like this. What? Okay, it's in. So now we just wait. And here, this CD, I mean UMD, I forgot. UMD, yeah, UMD is like spinning. Okay, it shows up on the screen. Oh yeah, that's catchy. Okay. Yeah, let's continue. PlayStation Portable. Okay, it's loading. Welcome to San Andreas. DJ from Grove Street. No, I'm not rapping. Oh, okay. I don't have memory stick. At least 320 kilobytes is needed to save this game data. I don't care. Let's just play. Rockstar Games. Yeah. Okay, it's Rockstar. Oh, for it's Rockstar North. Okay, it's Rockstar North. Yeah, they made GTA. If I'm not wrong, they made most of GTA games. Yeah. Nice. I forgot who's he. I've played GTA 3 before, but I forgot everything. Oh, sorry. Oh, accidentally. Hit this. Oh no, don't tell me it's not working. Epic fail. Okay, it's working. Okay, just skip this, it's too long. 2005 Rockstar Games. Okay, skip. Oh my. Do you hear that? Do you hear that? Like. Okay, liver's disease stories. Oof. Is it working? Okay, I hear that kept spinning the disc. Okay, I think it's the Chinatown in GTA 3. Okay, I just skipped this. Skip. Come on. Let me drive. I just want to drive. Let me explore the GTA 3 city.
Hey, so there he is, huh? So listen, Tony, I know you did a good thing first, and I know you've been lying low for a long time. So I want you to take it easy for a while, huh? Vincenzo will look after you. You need some money? Ask him. You need a job? Lucky he'll take care.
That's not bad. Quality for 2005. I think it's pretty decent for the day. Come on. Load. Okay.
Got you a nice little place to stay, Tony. It's got you written all over it. We'll head there first. You're all heart.
Okay, let's get into a car. I think I have to use the joystick to walk, which is a pretty weird place for thumb. Just extra accelerate. Okay, use the... Oh, I hope it's not copyrighted. I hope it's not copyrighted, come on. And let's go. I remember this place. Let's go down. Okay, don't. I can drive. God damn it. How do I? Yeah, like this. Okay, so it's here, like the safe house. Oh my gosh, I can't drive. Oh my gosh. How do I, wait. I was thinking how to, like, move there. Okay. So, yeah, we're about the safe house, I guess. Walk into, okay. Okay, so this is my house, I guess. Okay. So yeah, that's much it. For this video, we took a, yeah, that's much it. Oh my gosh, sorry PSP. We have to treat it gently, like this, okay? So yeah, that's much it for this video. Comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.